Okay, so what I usually do is I go over to Medicare.gov's website. And the reason why brokers like me do this is because it's basically an area that it's approved by CMS and it has all the different plans. So you can go over there. I already typed in my zip code, or a zip code I should say, and we don't know the coverage, and I don't know what your situation is with drugs and medications and extra help. So I just want to get to the Select Health plan. So here it is. Here's the ratings. Okay, and if you want to go to the provider network, you can click this, but when you click it, it's going to take you to the company's website. So if you want to explore the benefits in more detail, you can hit this, and then it'll take you over to their stuff, and it's all zip code based. So here's the zip code. So again, I'm going to put a zip code in there and hit submit, and voila. Now you can see some of these benefits. Not too shabby. Now, there's two things when it comes to Medicare Advantage you need to consider with all healthcare actually, is the fact that, first of all, you got price, and then you got access to healthcare. That's a big thing nowadays. You've heard of things with VA, takes months to get an appointment or weeks. Well, one of the things about Clark County is we have plenty of options here for you. So the first thing I always look at is this. This is the network, P3, Health Partners in Nevada. So I try to find out if your doctor's on your network or you want to stay with that doctor. So if you have a doctor or doctors, you want to always see which insurance companies they accept. And the reason why is because it'll save you money down the road versus paying straight Medicare. So I'm a big proponent of staying with your provider, and then we can find the insurance company for you. Okay, so that's what we do. So this is the network they use, and then you hit find a provider, type in a name, you can see if they're in there. This changes all the time. This is an expanding provider network, which I think is fantastic, and they're rather new here in Clark County, and I'm looking forward to doing a lot of business with them. So they represent many different plans that are on there. So let's go back to Select Health. Again, they're out of Salt Lake, and the benefits are what they are. Very good. Now, the other thing about this is they're not showing the other plan. The other plan is a special needs plan for heart and diabetics. So what does that mean to you as a customer? Well, a lot of times the out-of-pocket maximums will be lower. Some of these costs will be lower. Now, it's going to be hard to beat this right here, right? But usually it comes down to drugs. Now, they specialize in certain medications where they'll, instead of a tier 3 with one company, maybe it's a tier 1 or tier 2 with this company. So if you have a special needs program, or need one rather, because you have a health issue, let your broker know so that way they might be able to find a special needs plan that fits best for you, because it'll save you money when it comes to your medication and the donut hole and all that good stuff. So again, I went over to Medicare.gov, typed this in, and again, I always promote using a broker because you'll get more unbiased information from a broker, and you should look at your medication and your doctors always and have a review every year. So if you have questions or you want to give my office a call, go ahead and give me a call, and then we'll discuss what plan fits your needs, or I can at least point you in the right direction. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye now.